We are here in India Wood 2022, Bangalore International Exhibition Center. Here our partner WOODTECH Consultants Private Limited is participating here in hall number 4.
WOODTECH is a multi-product company dealing in both solid wood and panel processing machines, and we have wide range of products to suit every customer's needs. We as WOODTECH partnered with Hexagon for cabinet vision and Alphacam software to give design software to our customers. Most of the customers in India, they do designing manually and they end up making a lot of mistakes in production. So this software helps them to overcome that mistakes because from the design, it goes into the machine directly and they're able to avoid all the mistakes in the manufacturing.
They are taking the advantage of cabinet vision and Alphacam software to their customers. We are helping them in providing training, support, licensing, so that their end customer can make the use of a software.
Cabinet vision is a very powerful piece of software, and essentially what it does, it designs furniture, and we're talking about kitchen design, bedroom furniture design, bathroom design, all commercial case good furniture. The strength of cabinet vision and what it can do, it can take that design, it can create the design, you can present it to customers, and the most important thing is you can then generate the G-code from that software that drives machinery in the woodworking industry. So Alphacam, like cabinet vision, is a very, very powerful piece of software. Predominantly, it drives machines in the woodworking industry. It's very good at handling solids. So if you have solid models, you want to bring that in and you want to machine them components, then it's very good at doing that.
This is called as beam saw. It is an automatic cutting machine, heavy duty, and it has got a width of 3200 millimeter board size cutting, and it can do multiple boards cutting at a time. This has got a programming mode here where we feed the program from cabinet vision to this machine and it does optimization and then starts cutting. So for every cut it produces, it also generates a barcode label which can be put on the panel for further processing. So the further process can be taken up with the barcode into the other machines. This is an edge banding machine. Edge banding for every panel is very essential to seal the edges after cutting is done. So this machine is a very high-speed edge banding machine which seals off the edges with a PVC tape and gives also a good finish to the edges. So all the panels like this are fed to the machine, and it does the edge banding, sticks the tape on the edges and also makes the cutting, trimming and also radius on the edges to give a better aesthetic look.
This panel is cutting from the beam saw or panel saw machine. The label configuration is coming from the Hexagon CB software. This software is the input data is giving the barcode, panel length and the edge banding sizes, which said what is the edge banding thickness you have to apply. All the detail we are coming from the label design.
This is a CNC boring center. This machine, after cutting and edge banding, does the drilling operations on the panel to do knockdown fittings. So this machine is a CNC machine and it reads the barcode label automatically with the scanner. So the barcode label generated in the cutting machine is stuck on the panel like this. This is a point-to-point CNC machining center, and this machine does cutting and it can do pocketing and it can do drilling on all the 4 edges, and this is also a very high-speed machine and can do heavy-duty work. And the panels, it can do pocketing like this, drilling on all the 4 edges, it can do grooving, it can do profiling, it can do every process that is required for any kind of a furniture panel. This is a CNC nesting center. So this machine from the program, from cabinet vision, can take the program automatically and cut the panels according to the requirement. So the entire panel is loaded here, 8x4 panel is loaded here, and then it can cut many pieces in one go. It cannot do drilling on the edges, but it can only do drilling on the surface and do profiling on the surface.